Climatic zones. Climate refers to the weather conditions of a place in general or over a long period of time. Certain factors such as distance from the sea, amount of moisture in the air, winds, height above the sea level, and distance from the equator affect the climate of a place. Based on the distance from the equator and the amount of heat it receives, the Earth is divided into 3 climatic zones: the Torrid Zone, the Temperate Zone, and the Frigid Zone. Today, let us learn a little more about them. The Torrid Zone, also known as the Tropical Zone or the Tropics, extends from the Tropic of Cancer to the Tropic of Capricorn. The equator lies in the middle of this region and divides it into the North Torrid Zone and the South Torrid Zone. The North Torrid Zone lies between the equator and the Tropic of Cancer. The South Torrid Zone lies between the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn. It receives the vertical rays of the sun and hence remains hot. This heat helps in evaporation of water from the water bodies, which results in rain. Thus, the region is hot and humid throughout the year. It is home to tropical rainforests, grasslands, and hot deserts. The Sahara Desert, the Thar Desert, and the Atacama Desert are some of the deserts found in this zone. Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, Nairobi, Quito are some of the important cities in this zone. The Temperate Zone is located between the tropical and the frigid zones. There are 2 temperate zones, the North Temperate Zone and the South Temperate Zone. The North Temperate Zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. The South Temperate Zone lies between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle. The sun does not shine directly over this zone. Thus, this region receives slanting rays of the sun and experiences moderate climate. It is home to many deciduous forests and temperate grasslands. Tokyo, New York, and London are some of the most populous cities found in this zone. The Frigid Zone, also known as the polar regions, is located between the poles and the temperate zones. There are 2 frigid zones, the North Frigid Zone and the South Frigid Zone. The North Frigid Zone lies between the North Pole and the Arctic Circle. The South Frigid Zone lies between the South Pole and the Antarctic Circle. This zone receives very little warmth from the sun's slanting rays and hence remains cold and dry throughout the year. It is home to vegetation such as grasses, lichens, and mosses. Anchorage, Reykjavik, Nuuk, and Verkhoyansk are some of the cities found in this zone.